So who wants to see if we can get the Skylark to fire up? I do. Let's see if we can get this thing to fire up. It's been sitting quite a while. But it's got one of these things. It's got one of these solar panels on the dashboard that plug into your cigarette lighter, and it's been doing a really good job at keeping the battery charged. Ugh, poor people. Crank windows. This is going to take a while if it decides to start. It should. But it's going to be a matter of filling up the fuel bowls. So give me a second here. Put our tilt wheel down so it's out of my way. Alright. Alright, I promise I didn't try anything. I was just trying to figure out why the key buzzer wasn't working, but that's because I had the door closed. Listen to this. What? Alright, you ready? This thing's been sitting 6 months. That's how long it took to fire it up. Wow. I didn't even pump the gas. Oh, hang on. Yeah. It's got a bad oil pressure sender unit on the block. Yeah. It's got plenty of oil pressure. We already looked into it. It needs a new sensor. That light's been on forever, and it's not due to low oil pressure for a bad timing chain cover or anything. I'm hoping maybe this summer get this car fired up, get it registered, insured, put an antique plate on it, paint this thing black real quick, and change the tires. As I was saying, we can change the tires on this thing. I've got tires for it. I'm going to take the ones off the Kragers on the Cutlass, and I'm going to break those tires down and put them on these Buick mags. So the tire problem is resolved. There's a little bit of quarter rot that needs to be addressed before it falls off on the highway. I've got 2 other doors for this car in my storage unit. I may put those on. And that's about it. Change that oil pressure switch. Drive it around, see what it needs. It doesn't need much. The car isn't parked because it doesn't run. It's just been parked because we haven't had the time or space to do anything with it. There's been too many other cars going on. This car was my mom's daily runner back in the 90s. She'd take me to school in it every day. And we run all the errands in this thing. And believe it or not, it used to all be one color black. So this thing's been off the road too long for absolutely no reason. Just procrastination and excuses. That's the quarter panel issue I was telling you about. You can hear it's got an exhaust leak in the passenger side exhaust manifold. Oh, and get ready for this. There's a pizza box on top of the air filter lid because this chrome strip likes to leak a little bit of water. So rather than it land on the air filter lid, it hits the pizza box. also needs an accelerator pump. It's still just a 2-barrel Buick 350. My dad rebuilt the motor back in 96, 97. And believe it or not, everything under the hood of this car used to be painted up really nice. Yep, that's your short 69 Skylark Custom startup video. That was a 6-month-plus old cold start without a single pump of the gas pedal. I just kept turning it over and it fired right up. Sweet. Well, I think that's about it. So like, comment, subscribe for more. See you later.